Comprehend Guitar Capos comparison. Guitar capos are indispensable tools for musicians, allowing them to quickly change the pitch of their instrument and unlock creative possibilities across different genres. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned guitarist, selecting the right capo can significantly impact your playing experience. In this review, we evaluated 5 popular guitar capos ranging from List 1. The Wingo Guitar Capo delivers an impressive combination of affordability and performance. With its elegant rosewood finish and lightweight aluminum construction, this capo stands out aesthetically while offering solid functionality. It features a quick-release mechanism that makes it easy to reposition during live performances, and the included set of 5 medium celluloid picks adds extra value for beginners. The silicone pad ensures your guitar's neck remains scratch-free while maintaining even pressure across the strings. In performance tests, the Wingo Capo provided consistent tuning stability and a buzz-free experience across various fret positions. Its versatility extends to multiple instruments, including banjos and ukuleles, making it ideal for multi-instrumentalists. However, while the build quality is excellent for its price, the lightweight design may feel slightly flimsy compared to higher-end models. This capo is best suited for casual players or those seeking a reliable, budget-friendly option. The TanMas 3-in-1 Capo is a versatile tool that combines a capo, pick holder, and guitar pin puller into one compact design. Made from durable zinc alloy, it offers a comfortable grip and a brushed finish that adds a touch of sophistication. The capo's lightweight design ensures it doesn't weigh down the guitar neck during use, and the included soft-touch carrying bag and 4 picks enhance its overall value. During testing, the TanMas Capo excelled in providing even pressure across the strings, resulting in clear, buzz-free tones. The integrated pick holder is particularly useful for players who frequently switch between fingerstyle and picking techniques. However, the pick holder's placement may interfere slightly with quick capo adjustments. Overall, this capo is ideal for players looking for a multifunctional accessory that supports both acoustic and electric guitars. List 3. The Kaiser Quick Change Capo is a trusted name among professional musicians, known for its robust build and effortless one-handed operation. Constructed from lightweight aluminum with a steel spring, this capo is designed for durability and reliability. The rosewood finish adds a touch of elegance, and its ability to park neatly on the guitar's headstock when not in use is a thoughtful feature. In practical tests, the Kaiser Capo delivered outstanding performance, maintaining consistent tuning stability and tonal clarity across all fret positions. Its strong spring mechanism ensures secure clamping, but some users may find the pressure slightly excessive on lighter gauge strings. Made in the USA and backed by a lifetime guarantee, this capo is best suited for professional players who prioritize quality and dependability. List more. The Dario NS Triaction Capo is a premium choice for players seeking advanced features and precision. Constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum, this capo is both lightweight and exceptionally durable. Its micrometer tension adjustment ensures buzz-free performance and optimal tuning stability, while the integrated pick holder adds convenience for fingerstyle players. The Triaction geometry reduces the force required for operation, making it easy to use with one hand. In testing, the Dario Capo impressed with its consistent performance across various fret positions and string gauges. The micrometer adjustment is particularly useful for players who frequently switch between acoustic and electric guitars. While its price is on the higher end, the build quality and advanced features justify the investment for serious musicians or those who demand precision and reliability. List number. The IMUS Guitar Capo is the most affordable option in this comparison, yet it delivers a surprising level of functionality for its price. Made with a metal body and silicone rubber padding, it offers even pressure across the strings and protects the guitar neck from scratches. Its simple lever design allows for quick adjustments without disturbing the tuning. While the IMUS Capo performed adequately during testing, its build quality and durability are noticeably inferior to higher-priced models. It is best suited for beginners or players on a tight budget who need a functional capo for occasional use. Advanced players may find the lack of premium features limiting.